This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by Sandie Hadsell. Great floor plan in this 3-bedroom 2-bath patio home. Isolated master bedroom with updated master bath. The home has a formal dining nook along with a separate office area. Kitchen features an abundance of cabinets for its size along with a nice breakfast bar. Living area features a wet bar and a pretty fireplace for the cool Texas weather we are all waiting for. Secondary bedrooms are separated by hall bath. Enjoy the easy-to-maintain backyard with small covered patio. An exceptional home awaits. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandie Hadsell at 940-692-8120.